What is going on, guys? Welcome to this quick market update, and today we're going to discuss the price action for Bitcoin so that all of you are aware of what's actually going on in this crazy world known as cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. So here we're on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and this is the Bitcoin and USDT pair, and you can see just by looking at this that from November 9th all the way until the 4th of February, Bitcoin's price was trending downwards in this downward channel. Okay, and it broke out of that channel around the 7th of February, establishing a new channel indicated by these two black lines right here. Now, this is good news because it signifies that Bitcoin has broken out of its downwards trend. However, we're not out of the woodwork just yet. You see, in order to remain bullish, Bitcoin needs to break through a few crucial price points or crucial resistance lines in order to continue its trend upwards. So we're going to play out two different scenarios on what potentially could happen. And the first thing you need to be aware of is this red line right here. There's two red lines there technically, but the time frames are making it look like one red line. Bitcoin needs to get through that red line. Okay, that is a very, very crucial area. So around, let's say 44.3 thousand, and that could go up to anywhere to 48,000. Okay, so I will indicate that with another line right there. Okay, and what needs to happen is Bitcoin needs to remain above these support lines. So this trend line right here, if not this trend line here, and God forbid, this one right down here. So ideally, we want to see Bitcoin bounce off this trend line and start to grind upwards through these red resistance lines. Okay, if it can bounce through these resistance lines and remain above them and turn them into support, we can expect to see the price take off. Now, as you can see right here, it did attempt this previously, but it didn't actually happen. Okay, it managed to break through, but unfortunately it was a fake out, so the price came crashing back down. However, it was still in this channel indicated in these black lines, so it's not too bad. Okay, so that's the ideal situation that we want to see. Now, the other scenario that could play out, which is much worse, is Bitcoin could crash through this channel and go down to the next support level, which is around 37,570. Okay, so it could chop around there. Now, if it gets even more worse, it could crash through that support line and go all the way back down to around 29,700 to $30,000. Okay, so there are two different scenarios that could potentially play out. We're hoping for the bullish scenario where it bounces through those resistance lines and continues to take off, but you should also be aware of the bearish scenario as well. So if you're thinking about entering the markets, where is a good place to enter? Well, I'd recommend that you enter on support lines. So you've got this one right here. If it does crash through to 30k, you've got this one here, which we're hoping it doesn't do, but you never know because crypto is unpredictable and the world is crazy. And you've technically got this one right here, this channel, this black line here. Okay, so those are your support areas. I recommend entering at support, and you increase your odds of making a profit, not financial advice, and you ideally set a stop loss if you're trading just beneath these support areas. Okay, now if you want to play it extra safe and extra cautious, you could just wait until the price technically breaks through these areas and turns them into support, and you can just enter around there, you know, once you have confirmation that those areas are now support and Bitcoin has comfortably broken through. But yeah, those are our two scenarios that could potentially play out. Unfortunately, it's just a wait and see game at the moment. Okay, but I just wanted to update you guys on the current price action. I'll do another one of these videos in a couple of days when we know exactly which direction the markets are taking. Check out the charts for yourself, and just be careful. You know, we're in a very tricky time. The world, as I said, is in chaos at the moment financially, so just keep that in mind. All right, If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and check out our other educational content on the channel. I think those videos will really help you out in your crypto journey. But for now, we'll leave things there, and I will speak to you in the next one. Take care. Peace.